A crafter might have the most beautiful dyes, inks, and stamps, but without understanding concepts like the rule of thirds, balance, and visual flow, these elements can feel scattered. Hi there, I'm Jaycee. Our class will dive into 4 in-depth lessons that explore the different elements of art to help you design and construct your handmade projects easily. We will also have an exciting live session that includes a curated kit with all the crafty essentials we'll need to learn and create something beautiful together. Composition is important because it is the silent storyteller of any craft project. A crafter might have the most beautiful dyes, inks, and stamps, but without understanding concepts like the rule of thirds, balance, and visual flow, these elements can feel scattered. Learning composition gives crafters a framework and transforms a pleasant arrangement into a powerful design. My inspiration was driven by the desire to showcase the incredible versatility inherent in the entire All-Too-New Floral collection. Layering stamps for depth and dimension, stencils for rapid background creation, craft a flower for physical layering and shadows, embossing folders for texture. No matter which All-Too-New product is used, concepts can be applied to your preferred medium. The best advice I can give is to start with a simple formula and use a template like the rule of thirds. Composition can sound academic, but it's just a set of helpful guidelines. Thinking in terms of focal point, secondary element like sentiments, and a filler background already establish a simplified foundation of many great designs. If students take away just one thing, I want them to see that composition is a deliberate design choice and not an accident. Once floral elements are placed with intention, you will see a shift in the viewer's eye and visual balance. This single change in perspective will elevate not only your floral projects, but the entire crafting repertoire.